So guys, you're welcome once again on this platform, and this is how to get shout out, happy birthday story on Instagram. So if you want to wish someone a happy birthday on Instagram on your story, this is how to go about it. So tap on the Instagram app. First of all, subscribe to my channel, and this is my profile also on Instagram. If you want to follow me, and tap on the plus sign over here. After tapping on the plus sign, make sure you tap on you tap on story. Tap over here on story. So let's tap on it. After that, tap over here on the crate. So tap on this crate. Just tap over here. So let's tap on it. So after tapping on it, what you have to do next is to just tap over here. Tap over here to change the colors that you feel like using. So let's change it. So as you can see, this black, this different. You have different colors over here that you can use, and I think this color is very cool. So I'm going to use this. So after choosing the color that you feel like you want to use the background, so what you have to do next is to tap over here to add a friend, or to shout out a friend. You get me? So tap on this. So let's tap on it. After that, what you have to do next is to, as you can see, this is what happy birthday, and this is art. So art means you have to add the person's name to it. You get me? So let's add the person's name to it. So I'm watching Gavin. Okay, let me wish anyway. Okay, so I'm wishing Ohinawa TV a shout out. So let's tap on it. So this is how it's gonna be. It's very nice, and you can also customize it by adding the music. You tap on the music, then search or browsing over here, or for you this what you can also use the trending music, and you can also choose some style for it. Do you get me? You can choose different background that I think it's so nice. Do you get me? So as you can see, this one is very nice. And after choosing this, what you have to do is to tap on the next at the top right corner. So after tapping on it, if you want to post it, just you know tap over here on the next. If you also want to add some um words to it, just tap on this over here. So let's tap on next. So when you tap on next, you are going to choose, maybe you want to put send it as a message, or you can send it as a message, or you can also I'm coming, bro. I wanted to move this. Okay, let me, I don't want to waste time. So you can post it as your story. You can also send it as a message to your friend. So you can choose any of them that you feel like. So you're going to post it on your story. So you tap on the story, then tap on share. So when you tap on share, you are asked to also share to some of your friends over here. So let's say I want to share to this. I want to share to this. I want to share to this. You can also be choosing those you want to share this to. Do you get me? So after that, then you tap on the down section over here, and boom! As you can see, it's really loading, and this is it. It have been uploaded on the story. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, this is it. It's so beautiful, and this is the one I tagged. So this is the one I tagged. This is happy birthday. So bro, this is how to add a shout out. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share the video with your friends on other social media platform. See you in the next one. Bye. Boom.